Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another one. In this video we are talking, as promised, about encryption. Well, this will be a short video about encryption because I want to show you how to encrypt the user password, so you can't actually see what password the player has chosen. Okay, it is also good for when an example, a guy is hacking your database, an example, and then you see all the accounts, okay, but then the password is encrypted, so you he actually cannot hack the specific account. And that's what I'm going to show you. Microsoft has a pretty good feature, implemented feature, which is called globalization, and that is what we are going to use to encrypt our password. So we are using system.globalization. Within, this is the server, by the way, server project. Within our database class, we are creating a new string. We are calling it a public static string, and we call this encrypt password. Okay, and we do need a parameter of string password. Okay, how to encrypt your password? Well, I'll show you how. So first of all, the encryption needs to be a byte array. So we are creating a byte array, and we call this data equals to system dot, well, actually we got system.text, and we are using encoding dot ASCII dot get bytes, and then we are passing in our password because we need to convert all the chars from the string into a byte array. As next, we can say data equals to system.security dot, let me look at my notes, cryptography dot no. Yeah, well, now you can choose between a few stuff. You can use SHA-1, SHA-256, and you can use SHA-384 and stuff like that. You can decide what encryption system you want to use. In our example, we are using SHA-256 because it is the most common one recently. And then we hit SHA-256 managed, of course. And then we are going to say open bracket, close bracket, dot. Is this not working as managed? Huh. Dot compute hash. Wait a second. Right click. Oh yeah, of course, we need to use data equals to new. All right. SHA-256 manage, open bracket, close brackets, dot compute hash. So we are creating our hash for our password, and we are passing in our data right there. Oh, perfect. And then we can say return encoding. So we are converting the data back into a string. So we say encoding dot ACI dot get string, and we're passing in our data again. So what will this do? So basically, the user is sending his insert password. The system takes this password and encrypts it, so no one can see actually what his password is besides the server, and puts this information into the database. Okay, and to use this, we are going into our new account, and we are saying in our string username password gold level exp values blah 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 blah, we are changing our password into encrypt password, and we're passing in our password in there. So we are getting the encrypted password in our database. The same way we are going to use for password OK, since we are trying to reading out an encrypted password. So we can say if password equals temp password, so we are removing password into encrypt password equals to temp password, and then we can compare the encrypted values with the inside password of the user. And yeah, basically we can test this right away. So let me check if I have my MySQL. No, I don't have it started yet. Let's open my SQL, start the server. Let's go into the database itself to show you an example. 2D game accounts. Oh, that was the wrong one. Clash Royale, there you go. Okay, so we have now the user Kevin with the password AAA. Okay, and now we are trying to log in into this account. So Kevin, password AAA. What will happen is, the server is not started, of course. Which is my bad. There you go. Need to start it. So it is still early in the morning. My brain is not, well, there yet. Okay, server has started. Let's start the client. And now let's try to log in into our account. Which then will say, boom, password is incorrect, even though if we did set up the correct password. But now the system is using the encrypted password, okay? So therefore, we do need to create a new account. So yeah, let's create a new account. Let's say Kevin2. The password will be AAA as well. Now we are registering an account, and our account was created successfully. There we go. But now, as you can see, the same password AAA is now encrypted and unreadable, which makes the database a little bit safer from hacking and account hacking and stuff like that. And now when we now trying to log in into our user account, passing in our correct password and hit login, then we are successfully logged in the game, because the system now compares the encrypted password with the password and encrypts it and then compares it. Yeah, that's it basically, how to encrypt your password and make it safe into your data and save it into your database. This was a little short video. I hope you guys did like it. Nothing more to say. Just subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, check out my Discord channel, check out my Patreon page, and I would say see you guys in the next video. Bye.